Christmas is coming soon. Here is a super cute Christmas star pendant. I'll share it with you. Stand up 3 braid, not as a needle. Continue to crochet 10 long stitches. Finish and tighten the loop. Pull through 1 stitch after the 3 chains. In the second round, crochet 10 long stitches and add. And hook 2 long stitches in each stitch. For 10 groups, complete a round. In the third round, crochet 1 long stitch, 1 long stitch, 1 add. Repeat the above steps for 10 groups. On the fourth round, start with a chain, a short stitch in the next stitch, and a long stitch in the next stitch, a long stitch. And hook in the next stitch twice, and crochet a long stitch. Hook the needle 3 times, and hook another long stitch in the same stitch. And hook a long stitch in the next stitch, a long stitch. Next, hook a long stitch, 1 medium long, and then a short stitch. This is a corner of the star. Hook in the same way. Cut the crocheting the other 4. Use the same method to crochet. And leave about 15 centimeters of thread for sewing. Take 2 stars and sew them together. Pick 2 pieces corresponding to 2 stitches. Repeat the same operation. Sew 1 by 1 to the approximate position. Stuff with appropriate cotton. And continue to sew. Now, the star body is completed. Sew on your favorite little expression. And put on a small hat. Finally, apply the sole blush. The super cute Christmas star bear is done.